Astro just opened its eyes for the very first time, and it's looking around.
We were thinking about the competition from day one, and we wanted a very modular system.
Number 10. AIs conversing. Two AIs, Anna and Jack, were generated using GPT-3. The generator supplied GPT-3 with only 3 sentences that were: first, the following is a conversation between two AIs. Second, the AIs are both humorous, intelligent, and kind. And third, they know they are bots. With these limited instructions, the two bots were able to generate a complete script and actually have a real conversation that's quite interesting to hear. We bet you'll be both amazed and horrified by the level of self-awareness and intelligence of these bots. Check it out. Number 9. Human-Robot Interaction Project. Hiroshi Ishiguro is a prominent name whenever we talk about humanoids. The research direction at Osaka University started the Ishiguro Symbiotic Human-Robot Interaction Project. This research area engaged in the development of symbiotic human-robot interaction, and its goal is to develop autonomous social robots that can communicate with multiple humans via various communicative means as humans use them. To achieve the goal, it is necessary to develop certain devices and technologies. 1. Surface skin material and internal structure for safe interaction with humans. 2. Robust and flexible speech recognition technology. 3. Functions of autonomous context and task-sensitive communication on the basis of a hierarchical model consisting of desire, intention, and behavior, including speech acts. 4. Functions of using multiple communicative means to communicate with multiple persons in social context. Since the launch of the project, multiple robots have been developed and introduced, including Commu, Erika, and Ibuki. Quite interesting, yeah? Number 8. Humanoids reading emotions. How do you feel about robots that can feel? This humanoid machine was designed to sense your feelings and respond emotionally. Creepy. Humanoid robots that can sense how you feel and respond emotionally were among about 500 devices on display at the World Robot Conference held in Beijing in August 2022. The idea is to emphasize a better interaction between humans and robots as well as emotional expression. Other technology in the spotlight at the event includes robots that can conduct PCR tests. On the opening day of the expo, 100 robot dogs joined a group dance-off, wagging their tails as they greeted visitors. Also whizzing around the conference were robotic waiters, described as not exactly humanoid, but they resemble vacuum cleaners with storage shelves. Number 7. CB2. Meet CB2, child robot with biometric body, a Japanese robot designed to simulate child development and act like an infant and learn how to stand, follow objects with its eyes, and sense touch. These capabilities open up many opportunities to learn the mind of developing children. This robot is known as terrifying and can cause nightmares. However, we think we would feel comfortable and would not disapprove of its interesting look. Its movements are done by air through tubes, which it controls itself, along with multiple sensors beneath its biometric body made of silicon for skin, a metal frame along with its cable veins with processors to record all the data it senses. It has 50 degrees of movement, allowing it to be more lifelike and flexible. It even has realistic vocal generation. To allow humans to interact, it has a full body of soft silicon skin and multimodal sensors embedded in its silicon skin, allowing it to mimic the sense and feeling that infants receive. The creators of CB2 say it's slowly developing social skills by interacting with humans and watching their facial expressions, mimicking a mother-baby relationship. A bald childlike creature dangles its legs from a chair as its shoulders rise and fall with rhythmic breathing, and its black eyes follow movements across the room. It's not human, but it is paying attention. Number 6. Tang Yu. Tangyu is an advanced humanoid robot designed with cutting-edge technology and remarkable capabilities. With its sleek and modern design, Tangyu embodies sophistication and innovation. This humanoid robot stands at an impressive height and has a well-proportioned human-like physique. Tangyu is equipped with a wide range of sensors, enabling it to perceive and interact with its surroundings. Its advanced vision system allows for accurate object recognition and tracking, while its precise motion sensors ensure smooth and fluid movements. The robot's dexterous hands are capable of performing intricate tasks with precision and efficiency. One of Tangyu's standout features is its artificial intelligence capabilities. Powered by state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms, it possesses a vast knowledge base and can process information rapidly. Tangyu can engage in intelligent conversations, provide insightful answers, and even learn from its interactions with humans. Overall, Tangyu represents a remarkable leap in humanoid robotics, combining advanced AI, precise motion control, and exceptional communication capabilities. With its sleek design and impressive range of functionalities, Tangyu is poised to revolutionize the way humans interact with robots and redefine the possibilities of humanoid technology. Number 5. Mark 1. Despite not explicitly mentioning her name, this robot, crafted by Ricky Ma, a 42-year-old Hong Kong graphic designer, strikingly resembles Hollywood actress Scarlett Johansson. Ma affectionately named his creation Mark 1. Growing up watching robots in cartoons, Ma fulfilled a childhood dream by meticulously constructing his own humanoid robot from scratch, primarily in the confines of his Hong Kong home's patio. The life-size humanoid is constructed with a 3D printed skeleton enveloped in silicone skin, boasting face and color-tracking eyes. It responds to pre-programmed verbal commands uttered in a microphone. Throughout the process, Ma faced numerous challenges and setbacks, enduring issues such as frequently fried electric motors and balance instability, causing the robot to topple over. Undeterred, he persevered through trial and error, even though he had no prior knowledge of 3D printing or robotics when embarking on this remarkable endeavor. Number 4. Ergo Cub. In modern societies, the demand for physical assistance to humans is increasing. In factories, production workers execute repetitive tasks that in the long run often cause musculoskeletal diseases. In clinics, orthopedic patients need orthosis and prosthesis to overcome their daily deficiencies. At home, elderly people require a wide range of physical assistance to compensate for their muscles slowly losing strength. We thus need robot collaborators that perceive humans and correct inefficient collaboration and unergonomic interaction that lead in the long term to musculoskeletal diseases. Ergo Cub is a humanoid robot endowed with embodied intelligence and designed for ergonomic interaction with humans. It is 150 centimeters tall and weighs 55.7 kilograms. Ergo Cub can fulfill the human need for physical assistance. Traditional robots, however, are designed to act for humans. But the aforementioned general need for human-robot collaboration requires robots to act with humans in a shared workspace. To do so, robots that are nowadays proficient in physical interaction should become as proficient in physical collaboration, and that's where Ergo Cub comes into play. Number 3. Ocean One. Robotic scientists at the US's Stanford University achieved a remarkable first. They successfully sent an automated avatar, which they describe as a robo-mermaid, down to an ancient shipwreck to retrieve a vase from the sunken vessel. La Lune, the flagship of Louis XIV of France, sank 20 miles off the south coast city of Toulouse in 1664. Only a few dozen of the hundreds of men on board survived. The wreck, which lay at a depth of 100 meters, had never been disturbed until the Ocean One robot crafted reached it and recovered the grapefruit-sized vase. The humanoid diving robot was piloted using virtual reality techniques by the professor of computer science at Stanford. Sitting on a boat on the surface, he used joysticks to control the little underwater craft. He says that combining human skills with a robo-mermaid's robust structure will transform underwater exploration. Number 2. Amica. Meet Amica, one of the world's most advanced humanoid robots that can draw a cat. The robot is developed by the UK-based Engineered Arts, a company known for designing and manufacturing humanoid robots. The company has endowed Amica with the ability to draw, something that can be called a first among humanoid robots. The company has equipped Amica with stable diffusion, rendering it the power to image drawings. When Amica was asked to make a drawing of a cat, Amica skillfully drew a cat on canvas and even signed it off. Reportedly, one of the biggest challenges that the company faced was converting images to lines or vectors for Amica to draw. To interact with humans, Amica is also powered by both GPT-3 and human telepresence, which comes with motorized articulation of fingers, arms, and neck. The robot expresses emotions like humans in a video where it reacts to its nose being touched. Cute. Number 1. Aiko Chihira. Aiko Chihira, introduced in 2015, caused a sensation in Japan as a remarkable human-like robot. In a Tokyo department store, she was mistaken for a real person due to her lifelike appearance. Aiko Chihira's role involved working in customer service while wearing a traditional silk kimono. Under the leadership of Hitoshi Tokuda, a team of programmers created Chihira. Tokuda mentioned that her intended persona was that of a 32-year-old woman standing at a height of 165 centimeters. To achieve her realistic movements, Chihira relied on 30 times per second data transfers and was equipped with 43 motors for power. Consequently, her gestures, such as bowing or blinking, appeared subtle, and her silicone body resembled a wax figure rather than the robotic appearance of R2-D2. During NPR's visit to Chihira, many individuals were fooled into thinking she was a real person. The challenge for designers, including Toshiba's Tokuda, lay in creating a robot that closely resembles a human without entering the uncanny valley that often evokes fear in children. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.